What's going on, contracting pros? Michael here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about problem-aware content and how to create content that makes customers realize they need you before you ever sell them. So most local businesses, they don't struggle with sales, they struggle with something even more important. Their customers don't realize they have a problem. Today, I'm going to be breaking down what problem-aware content is, how one story about house smells cracked that code, and then how any local business, contractors, retailers, med spas, landscapers can use this to book more jobs with zero salesy content. And by the end, you'll see exactly why your posting strategy hasn't worked and how to fix it instantly. So, what problem-aware content really means. Most businesses, they only market to people who are ready to buy right now, but that's the smallest part of your market. The big opportunity is that all of the people who need, the big opportunity is all the people who will need you soon, but aren't thinking about it yet. Problem-aware content gets someone to stop scrolling and think, wait, do I have this problem? And then once they wonder that, they're willingly enter into your sales process on their own. Now, people who are ready to buy are about 1 to 3%. As far as like today, when they see your content, people who are willing to buy soon, if they realize the problem, that's anywhere between 60 and 70%. And your content should target that group. The house smell story. So here's the story that changed everything for me. A retired police officer, he said, every house has a smell. The only people who can smell it are the ones who live there. That's called olfactory fatigue. Your nose literally stops detecting smells you're exposed to constantly. The second I heard that, I thought, wait, does my house smell and I don't know it? Boom. Problem aware. I didn't know I had a problem. Then once a piece of content made me question, now apply this to any local business. Let's take the same concept and translate it into real examples so you can show your niche. So contractors, home servicers. So let's start with the first one. Most homeowners don't know what they don't know. Here are some good examples. Your roof can leak long before you see a drip. Your AC might be costing you $150 a month, silently. Most foundations cracks because what was that, Mike? Most foundations crack because gutters weren't maintained. These aren't sales pitches, they're wake-up calls. Next, let's go for realtors. Most sellers, they think their home is fine until a piece of content opens their eyes. That kind of rhymes. Your home could be worth more. Here's the 10-second test. Most sellers lose $15,000 because of this one timing mistake. Is your neighborhood in a silent shift? Here's how to check. So you're not selling, you're educating them into awareness. Next niche is media spa beauty services. Most people have, can you not read off of a Google Doc? Most problems people have are normal. They just assume that they're stuck with it. Why your skin texture doesn't change, even with expensive products. Your makeup breaking apart by 3 p.m. is actually fixable. Lastly, most people wait years too long to get this simple treatment. Let's go to landscapers. Your mulch might be attracting bugs. Here's how to fix it. Most lawns die from overwatering, not heat. Your soil is probably compacted and you'd never notice. So all these, they wake people, you actually can't speak. This wakes people up. Last one is auto shops, or the last niche we're going to talk about. Your brakes can be dangerous long before they squeal. Your engine light won't warn you about this problem. That's a great one. Why your tires wear unevenly even with regular rotations. Why problem-aware content works, and the 28 touch point rule. If you're selling to cold audiences with call list post, no wonder you're not getting any leads. People need 28 interactions before they buy. Problem-aware content creates those interactions without pitching, without pressure, without discounting, without needing you on camera daily. It's the exact strategy billion-dollar brands have used for decades, except now it costs pennies with social. Why local businesses don't do this and how I solve it. Business owners know they should be posting, but they don't do it because they have no time, no ideas, no consistency, no editing skills, no strategy, and no understanding of what actually converts. That's where my service comes in. I build a complete social posting engine designed to do exactly that. Make your market problem aware, position you as the easy solution, keep you top of mind every day, drive inbound messages, and feed your existing sales process. You don't have to film, write, edit, or brainstorm anything. If you want content that finally makes people realize they need you, creates constant inbound leads, and runs without you lifting a finger, go ahead and send me a DM that says content, or just click the link below and I will show you how to build content for this exact need. That is going to be it for this one, Contracting Pros. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.